so. Are these dried or? No, they're still damp.
All right, today Dad and I are going to build a small chicken tractor house thing that we found online. It's because these little guys are in the brooder and they're getting too big, so they need to get out of the brooder and starting to get more acclimated to the farm. So that's what Dad and I and the crew are going to build today.
Can save seeds
with
at
us.
the end of this year. Ooh, it's got like little flaps in here. Oh, goody, more styrofoam. All right.
Oh.
You smell it? What is it? Cedar made out of cedar?
That's real wood.
Maybe. Huh?
Oh, I got 11.
Oh, this is the wheels. Here we go. I don't know if that's an N or a Z.
I'm guessing an N.
I'm thinking. There we go. Oh. All right. What's next there, Senor?
So now this
Gets screwed to that, doesn't it? There. Alrighty. Okay, what's next, Amy?
After that's on, insert L piece into slots and CND.
L piece into what? Oh, this must be the, in this way?
Yep.
Insert L piece, yeah.
That must be the roost.
Stabilizing.
Just, does it just sit there?
Yeah. Yep.
Huh.
By the window.
Oh, I see. Here, that's very nice.
That is pretty slick, isn't it? Clean it out easy that way. Take the hose to it.
Go this way.
Okay.
B1. Those are bolts, nut and bolts. Goes this way, right?
Oh, okay. Should not be putting things together without women reading instructions.
Oh my gosh.
Just try to put something
Well, you
together
should
like
just
pictures.
Tightened up pretty good, just finger tight.
You bet.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Would that be L?
Screw H to E and F.
So this doesn't go in yet?
No, you just follow the instructions.
But that looks like H.
Yeah, what's that look like? That's one snug fit. There we go. I think we're getting it.
That's a cute little thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. We were just gonna have a box.
Yeah.
Gonna get by them bolts. There we go. Hey.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, it is.
Screw ladder R.
That'd be the ladder.
That's a pirate's favorite part. There we go.
I think that one locked in too.
And then I took a bunch of like ones that
It's gonna have a neat little house.
Yeah,
for the price.
you can't beat it. I wonder if we need to like coat it, like spray it, or to put some polyurethane or something on it. I mean, put it back somewhere.
Store it somewhere where it won't get in the weather. There you go. Huh. There we go. Look at that slick ridge cap.
I think I'm gonna get my sweatshirt. I'll be right back.
That's why I put mine on. That wind is. Is that where it goes? Keeps the weather out. Oh yeah. That works. Oh, there's latches. I don't even know. I got a T somewhere.
Oh yeah.
That'll work.
All right, just gotta make sure that it's even. I'll put the first one in, and then
Yeah. You get the meat of the wood there.
you're in my shot.
I don't care.
Please do
Not a
that.
star here. I was in the shot.
Yeah, I got it. Here we go. So we need to put the wheels on.